Hey, I didn't see you there. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at something a little unusual. So I'm just browsing through the internet, and I come across this WikiHow tutorial. I'm sure you're familiar with WikiHow. It's basically this website that you go to and it just tells you a bunch of random how-tos. Find this one WikiHow called 4 Ways to Be a Player. So I thought, wow, what is this shit? So I was like, I gotta check it out now. Because it has over 600,000 views. Must have like some good content then. So it says, a player is an ice-cold Casanova who leaves a trail of broken hearts wherever he goes. When he walks into a room, all the women line up to talk to him and practically beg to be taken out. And if he's good at what he does, he'll have a woman in his bed faster than he can say check please. If you're already a player and want to hone your skills, or this sounds like a lifestyle fit for you, read on. Step 1, be confident. Ease all your anxieties. You gotta address your flaws and think more positive. Oh damn, I look good, like, really good. Step 2, don't get attached. You could like more than one girl at a time because, boy, you a player!
So you gotta keep your mind open. For instance, I like her, but like, I think I like her more. Here we go. I'm gonna go with her.
Step 3, look like a player.
Player, you're gonna have to look the role. So first, you're gonna have to get some clothing. Here we have a white douchebag tee, and if it's not douchebaggy enough, we're gonna cut the sleeves off of it. Alright, cutting off the sleeves because you have to be able to really show off your muscles.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Dude, honestly though, with like the weird shit that people wear at export, I won't even look like the biggest douchebag. What I really hate is when people will be wearing those, like, guys will wear those tank tops that are like super like fucking like revealing and like have like really small like spaghetti straps. It's like, goddamn woman. You know, it'd be even worse. What if you wore one too? Like, horizontal.
Step 4, have the right body.
Gym intentionally. What people are gonna think of me, they're gonna look at me and be like, damn, that guy's a player. Alright, here I am walking in wearing my coat just because I don't want to look like a douchebag immediately because I look like a fucking dick. Alright, so I've just been here for a couple minutes. I just got the most evil ass eye from that dude that's like right over there behind me. Yeah. Alright guys, so the thing about being fucking pussy slayer, you don't even have to be lifting that much weight. You just have to look the part. You have to look like you're an alpha male. But you can be beta as fuck. Start. None of this shit. Get this shit out. We're gonna be putting on 5s and 10s. 5s and 10s so it looks bigger than it really is. I guarantee you've never fucking seen that before. Wanna know why? Because I just fucking invented it. Because I'm a fucking alpha male.
God, this bro. Keep going. One more. Come on.
Fucking tase your balls off, motherfucker. Somebody do this before, and because of that, you're gonna be like, this guy.
Feel the burn.
Bro, I can't eat that. Let's do this. Make sure to line the bar.
Alright, good shit, man. Well, so I threw on 225 and you guys were like, here, and you threw on 225 and I was like, alright, decent, like, sure. Threw us on 315, I'm like, what the fuck, like, maybe he can do it, I don't know, I can't. Then you throw on 405 and I'm like, okay, fuck no. And then it goes to 495 and I'm like, hold up, these guys are gonna kill themselves. And then you threw on a 25 and I was like, what the fuck are they doing? And I was coming over here ready to video and I was like, if they're gonna do this, I want it on video. Yeah.
Now that you're looking good, it's time for step 5, clean up like a player. We're talking cologne, hair gel, etc. This right here is pretty much a reenactment of every high schooler ever that has ever worn Axe deodorant. Don't do this, you look like an idiot and you smell like ass.
Need some hair gel. This is my swamp! If you want good hygiene, you're gonna need a good, clear face.
ho ho, bitch.
I look like I'm out of Game of Thrones and I'm a friggin' like ice swan thing. Now you're really starting to look like a player.
Step 6. Have a player-worthy crib.
Welcome to my crib. Mi casa es su tu casa. Casablanca. Spanish. Alright, look around here. Up here, I got boomerangs on deck. I got the boomerangs on deck. I got an airplane up here. I got an airplane. Bitches love airplanes. That's why I keep one above my bed. I got 2 airplanes above my bed. I got the boomerangs, aviation man. I got the dragon. I got the Blues Brothers. Bitches like music. Old ass painting of my lizard. Used to live in here, but now it's dead. Right here, we got my big ass 72-inch flat screen TV. Good for watching Netflix. I actually don't have Netflix. I have Hulu because I'm in college and I'm broke and it's cheaper. Never had Netflix, never got a vacuum because you got to keep your pad clean because you don't know when people are going to be coming in.
And last but not least, you're going to have to up your protein intake. I'm recommending personally about 5 shakes a day. It's a good protein intake for you. So yeah, it was about at this point in the video, about to come up as when things went horribly wrong. I'll just roll the clip, you'll see what I mean.
That wasn't
Alright guys, I just wanted to say thank you all for subscribing. This is kind of a new era for my channel as I'm a lot older now and I'm kind of starting to stray a little bit more away from the whole gaming content. Well anyways, I hope you like. This was my 1K sub video. That was pretty cool. It's funny how my channel just started to blow up because I was looking at my phone. I'm like, oh wow, I'm about to approach 200 subscribers. Better get like cooking something nice up. And well, I go to sleep, I wake up, and I'm like, well, fuck, scratch that. We're gonna need to do something a lot bigger because our channel's growing like very, very fast right now, like extremely fast. I was looking at the statistics for like my video, and we had like over a 5,000% increase in like views and subscribers, so that's pretty lit. Yeah, so thank you guys, and I will see you all later. Cue the leafy tribute.